Also, right now at 5:30, we're looking into COVID-19 and the impact on the jails. Dozens of nonviolent offenders have been released as part of an effort to lower the jail population and prevent the spread of COVID-19. It comes as the sheriff's office is dealing with an outbreak infecting more than 400 inmates.
State prosecutors, along with the public defender's office, have helped release hundreds of nonviolent offenders with low-level charges since the beginning of the pandemic in March. News for Jack's High Team investigator Kelly Wiley joining us live in front of the jail right now. Kelly?
Now, this is month 5 of this effort to lower the jail population. The state attorney's office is not focusing on sex offenders or anyone alleged to have committed a violent crime. Instead, they're focusing on reviewing nonviolent misdemeanor and felony offenses. Close to 50 more nonviolent, low-level offenders were released from the Duval County jail over the last month. The latest releases bring the total inmates released to 550, according to the spokesperson for the state attorney's office. This comes as the Jacksonville Sheriff's Office has spent the last month dealing with the COVID-19 outbreak inside its pretrial detention facility. Friday, the sheriff's office announced 441 inmates have tested positive for the virus since June 20th. The state attorney's office says at least some of the inmates released so far are among those who tested positive. The sheriff said in a phone interview earlier this month he believes the virus entered the facility after inmates and staff were exposed to a medical contractor with Armor Correctional Health Services, who had shown symptoms of the coronavirus but failed to report those symptoms to jail personnel. That doctor later tested positive, according to the sheriff, and has since been fired. The company Armor Correctional Health Services said in a statement that while it doesn't discuss employee matters with third parties, an investigation into how COVID-19 entered the facility and spread is underway. They also said it's premature to draw any overriding conclusions at this time. It's not the only facility dealing with an outbreak. The Duval Regional Juvenile Detention Center has 5 youths and 1 staff member test positive, according to Florida DJJ. Florida's prison system recorded 235 new coronavirus cases and 2 inmate deaths over the weekend, according to the Department of Corrections. And the sheriff's office tells me they have not opened their own separate investigation into that contractor allegedly exposing inmates and staff to the virus. They say that's because the contractor, Armor Correctional Health Services, took initiative and released that employee. Reporting live in Jacksonville, Kelly Wiley, Channel 4, the local station.